Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to change VW Touareg key battery. Start by locating the fob seam and prying it open gently with a small flat tool or fingernail. Protect the fob with a clean cloth and remove the old CR2032 battery while noting orientation. Place the new CR2032 with the plus side up, snap the case closed, and verify lock, unlock, and panic functions before use. Use simple tools and steady hands to avoid damage to the key fob. Gather a small flat screwdriver, a clean cloth, and a replacement CR2032 battery. Work over a tray to catch the tiny spring or screws. Avoid touching the battery surface with oily fingers and replace batteries promptly when range or responsiveness drops. If the fob still fails, consider checking the key blade or visiting a dealership for diagnostics and key reprogramming. Battery orientation is crucial to restore proper function quickly. Look for the plus sign stamped on the battery holder and match the plus side of the CR2032 to it. After closing the fob, test buttons for lock, unlock, and panic functions from a short distance. If the remote range is weak, try a fresh battery from a different package to rule out old stock. Keep old batteries recycled responsibly at collection points.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.